Good afternoon, James Jalokia here from Jimmy Eats World, and I am, of course, as always, in beautiful Saigon. Today, what I've got for you is actually a restaurant that I have never tried before, so this is my first, along with showcasing it to you. This place, I've heard of it several times. They've got burgers and wings, which, if any of you actually knows me personally, my favorite food group is chicken wings. So, maybe the fact that I was born in Buffalo, so I grew up eating, I grew up in San Antonio, but I grew up eating buffalo chicken wings. Probably because of the fact that my mother grew up in Buffalo area. I need you to pardon me for this construction that's going on. I almost went inside, but I really don't want to film inside. The lighting's not so great. So anyway, so the restaurant that I am showcasing today, as I said, I have never been there, so this is a first for me. It's called Flying Pig. So, and they gave me this cool bag. They actually sent me a free beer also, which is really cool of them. I'm not sure why. I ordered it. It took 30 minutes to get here, so they actually got here fairly quickly, surprisingly. So what I ordered today is I ordered their BBB, the blackened beef burger with bacon and blue cheese, and that is this. This is in, if you make it to Saigon, this is in District 2 on Tao Dien, the famous food street there, which you'll find a bunch of restaurants. It's very popular for Western style food specifically. It just rains, so I've got rain everywhere, so it's wet everywhere. I tried to clean up where I could, but I might be getting a little wetness in places. So here are the fries. Some, of course, celery and carrots, which I generally don't eat. I don't even know why. I like celery and I like carrots, but I never eat celery and carrots that I get with wings. And the chicken wings. I got the, oh man, something's on fire over there. I'm drilling hard. So I got the, their hottest wings. I forget what they're called. They're, I'll post it on the video. Extra super spicy, califragilistic, whatever. So I got their extra hot wings. I got, of course, blue cheese dip. Now, I do need to say that in Saigon, blue cheese is near impossible. Not impossible, but good blue cheese dressing is pretty hard to get. Oh, I see. They put the sauce on the side. That's why they look dry. Good blue cheese dressing is not easy to come by. Even at places like Buffalo Wild Wings, you can tell that they actually use the ranch dressing as a base and they just put blue cheese in it. And it's okay, but it's not blue cheese dressing. I've not had their wings here. I am, as far as the burgers go, you know, I'm doing my top 5 burgers in Saigon, which this is going to be on that list. But I'm also doing that with wings. So today, Flying Pig is making it onto 2 of my top 5 lists, wherever they rank in the 5. I'm not going to go above or, you know, beyond the number 5, just because I don't want to give negative publicity to places. So it's gonna stick with 5, and I'm not going to be kicking people off. So it'll rank within 5 somewhere on there. I don't like to give negative reviews. There are too many people giving negative reviews in the world for something that's really ultimately very arbitrary. So my taste is going to differ from your taste. So I don't like to do that unless there's a real issue, like a cleanliness issue, and I've already gone to the management. Don't do that. Don't be that guy. Don't be that guy who gives negative reviews for something ridiculous. You can, I mean, seriously, that affects people's livelihood. And I'm sorry, I'm on a soapbox here, so I'll step down. You know, first I'm going to try the wing. It looks like they do bread it lightly. So let's see what they got going on here. Yeah. It's good. It does have a kick. When they say that it's their hottest wing, sometimes I'll go to places and they're like, oh, you know, are you sure you can handle that? You know, can you do it? And basically, it's like, you know, everything except for making you sign a waiver. And you eat it and you're like, is this Frank's? It's good. It's got enough of a kick that I can feel the hiccups coming. I get the hiccups. If you saw my packing one chip challenge, I get the hiccups so easily with spicy food. It's a good wing. They do bread it. I generally like naked wings. I feel like probably it's a better preservation for the crispiness, sending it, you know, delivery. I won't know what flour they use because there is a cut of sweetness in there, and it's nice. Yeah, it's a good wing. I would order that again for sure. Now let's go with their burger. So it is to put it delicately, it's a rather small sandwich. However, the patty is it's a heavy patty. Like it's a pretty good size. It's got pickles and onions and bacon and the blue cheese already on there. I don't mind that so much because you know, a lot of places will send it on the side to keep it from getting soggy and whatever, but it got here so quickly it's not gonna matter. Let's check it out. That's good. I'll be honest. I'm surprised. I honestly, for some reason, I didn't think it was gonna be this good. It is tiny. I could probably eat 2 of these. It's not massive. My total order today was 400,000 dong, which is $17, give or take. That's $17 and like 13 cents or something. So it is rather a delicate burger for the price, but like I said, the patty is, you do get a good chunk of meat, so I'll give them that, and it is good. Oh man, their blue cheese is a good quality blue cheese. I feel like I know the brand. I'm not gonna say it by brand name. You can find it at the Western import stores here. And I'm glad they use that brand because it really goes well with this burger. Yeah, that's good. If you like blue cheese, I could actually go for some caramelized onions on here too. So maybe I'll do that next time I order. I'll caramelize some up myself. But that's a damn good burger. The bun is good. It's a little on the, it's a stiffer bun, so it's definitely not going to get soggy on the outsides. Let's try this again. Yeah, I like it. I don't know why I'm surprised that the food is this good. Maybe it's because I haven't heard a lot about the restaurant. What I've decided to start doing is actually, that has a kick for sure. That's good. Yeah, so it's a good burger. Like I said, so I'm a little surprised that I do enjoy it this much. The wings are okay. The wings are good. I would prefer to get them at the restaurant with the sauce on the wing. I like them to be soaked in the wing, but It's good on the side, I guess, when they deliver it, because it's going to keep it crispier. I haven't heard a lot of this restaurant. I haven't heard a lot of publicity. What I'm going to start doing is actually just going on a list and finding restaurants that I haven't been to before. I'm still going to eat places that I have been to. I am going to showcase a little bit more from La Fiesta. I'm going to do Chuck's Burgers, you know, it's like a couple places I've been before. But I'm going to try to really, two things. I'm going to try to really start focusing on restaurants that I have not been to, and I'm also going to start putting more vegetarian, vegan-friendly dishes into my reviews, because I mean, there's something to be said. Like there's a demand for that, and you know, I want people to know what they're going to get into, what they can get into in Saigon. So I will really try to start doing that for people who are vegan or vegetarian. But yeah, so Flying Pig, it's good. Good burger. It's not massive by any means, but it's definitely, the flavor is there. So yeah, get it. Now, when I was saying earlier about the blue cheese dressing, it's the same. This is good. It is very runny. Look at that. Very runny. It's got a good flavor, but to be fair, this sauce is good enough that I don't even need the blue cheese dressing. It's a tasty sauce. I'm pretty sure I know where they got that. It's definitely got a good amount of butter in it. I would venture to bet that there are ghost peppers in here. It's got a good kick. It has a genuinely nice warmth to it. I need a tissue. I need to call this the quarantine. That's the name of this new style that I've got going on, the quarantine. I'm really excited to get to a barber when everything opens back up. I don't know why it took me so long to figure this out. Oh yeah. Yeah. You guys. It's my own invention. I invented it. So yeah, this is Flying Pig. I am James Delokia, and you are watching Jimmy Eats World.